what's going on, you guys? Kevin here in the Humble Garage. So when we moved in, we only got one garage door opener from, it's new construction. They only gave us one garage door remote or whatever, so I kind of just let my wife have it, and I usually take the L and just park in the driveway or come in the house and open the garage from the inside like a peasant. But anyway, so I bought a 2-pack of these 1-button remotes on Amazon. I think it was like 35 or 40 bucks, and it's the same brand as the actual garage door opener I have, which is Genie, which is a very, very popular brand. And I just wanted to show you guys how easy these are to program real quick, because I was kind of concerned that it might be kind of a bitch, but there's a program/set button here. Hold it down until you see a blue light, then release it. You're going to see that flash purple. Press this once, lights are going to flash. Press it again, lights go off, and now we're good to go.